prey. Yeah, pretend to. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Come on, it's the morning. You're supposed to want to hunt in the morning. You gotta hunt. Yep, that's your instinct. It's hunting in the morning and in the evening. During the day you sleep. But at night and in the morning when you get up, that's when you hunt. Come on, little man. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Tyson, look at you. Can you get it again? Come on, little man. There we go. Can you get it, buddy? Let me try again. Start over here. I get two. Okay, here we go. Which one are you going to get? The mouse or the bird? This is like a buffet. Good job. Good job. There you go. Hey, Ty. Look at you, kid. Good job, buddy. Here you go. Still not quite sure about this yet, huh? It's alright. When I bring the back feathers on a stick tonight, you guys are going to go bonkers. Come on, Tyson. Nope. Okay, we're done.